67 to 70 Mustangs, we've got a couple of different variations and a couple of different options here. For the automatic crowd, we've got the 9-inch single, which is going to be a 1-inch bore master cylinder. It's going to come with a brake pedal. 8-inch dual for the manual transmission cars. Again, 1-inch bore master cylinder and a proper brake pedal. Brake pedal in these is included to properly get the ratio correct for the car going from manual to power brakes. Like any brake booster, these require a minimum of 18 inches of vacuum at idle for proper operation. With all of our Booster Master combo kits is a complete and detailed instruction pamphlet for each individual application. Included with all of our boosters is a hose kit. Hose kit's going to include a length of 11/32 vacuum hose, intake manifold fitting, along with a syringe bleeder for bleeding the master cylinder. And remember, if you are converting to a disc drum or a disc setup, be sure and order the proper valve for the system.